Alright, this is apartment B, 11-foot ceilings. Keep in mind that paint is a must. I'm narrating the video. Alright. This is the living area. A little eating area for the bistro table. Pretty nice hardwood floors. This would need to have a nail in it right there or something. This is a spot for a stackable washer and dryer. Already has a track for a door right there. You just need to install that in there. Central air and heat. Kitchen is quite tiny, but it's same size as what I have now. Good storage. Ceiling would need to be fixed and made smooth, but there's a stove and a dishwasher. Small dishwasher, but it's more than I have now. Then we go down the hall to the first bedroom. This is Helen. It's a nice sized bedroom. It would be big enough for my bed and my chest of drawers and my dresser. These windows open to the front of the house, which is nice. A nice big closet, about the size of what I have now. Again, the same hardwood floors throughout. Straight ahead is the bathroom. A little transom up here. Would need to be painted again, but that's okay. Ceiling needs to be painted. Maybe a new light fixture in here. Eventually maybe a new countertop, but it would work for now. And then the second bedroom would definitely be an office. Again, this window faces the front. My little